So the story today is, we came down here this morning and our little lady in here had hatched one of her eggs. However, later in the day, Jasmine came along and said that she had kicked her eggs out of the nest and she was sitting outside of the nest, not near the eggs, with just her little chick with her. The eggs had gone cold. So we had another broody hen that was sitting on some very poor eggs that we didn't believe were going to hatch. So we took those away from her and replaced them with the ones from this hen, because we knew one of them had already pipped its shell and was ready to hatch and we could still hear it cheeping. Where is your little chick? I think that's a little lady. I think we have ourselves a little pullet. I think she's a lady. This is Professor Parsnip, and his lady, Mrs. Parsnip, is sitting on the rest of the eggs. So this is silvery. It's got a little white bottom. Still drying by the looks of things, not fluffy yet. Oh look, he's trying to dive under.
Hello, first day proper of combining. Here's our little combine and here's the first field done. Note, red diary, red combine, red tractor.
Hen examining her new coat from roseandbees.co.uk. This is her coat to protect her back from the attention of the cockerels. They tend to be a little bit over amorous, and so as a result she's lost some feathers on her back. The alternative version with the wing covers as well.
Hi, my name's Bradley Spickett. I work here at churchfarmryarsh and today I'm grain cart driving.
Bradley, I keep telling you not to lose all the nuts and bolts. This is the last straw.
So now you'll see me putting hydraulic hoses in the back of a tractor. This allows us to tip the trailer and also stop.
They're all nicely colour coded with cable ties.
hauling out a 10-ton trailer full of wheat, destined for the granary.
Just gonna take this bucket off so we can get another trailer. So that's our first trailer load back from the granary. Got another one full over there. Half of Southfield done now.
So it is 5 to 9 here at churchfarmryarsh, and we are combining wheat in Southfield. We are aiming to try and get all 3 trailers filled up tonight so we can get them tipped first thing tomorrow morning.